Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $80 per hour with this high-paying online job that pays you to work from home. There's actually some options with this opportunity actually. So let me get started and show you what this is, okay? Hey guys, so I'm back, and since you're on my YouTube channel, if this opportunity that I'm showing you in this video does not work out for you or you don't like it, you could try building your own online business with this link right here on the top right, and that is actually what I do online and make a full-time online income passively. And you could do the same thing where you can work your own schedule but make money any time of the day. So whether you are actually working or actually playing or eating or vacationing, you can earn any time. So if you want something like that, you need to learn it from right here and check that out. And I hope I can help you in the near future. You could also watch this video to see how I make money, and that video explains everything as well. So let's get started with today's method, which is at tutors.com, guys. Okay, what you're going to be tutoring is not that hard because you are just going to be tutoring either elementary kids or high school kids, okay? And what this is about is kids need help, and when kids need help, they need you to help them. And look, you could be helping in all sorts of topics that you are comfortable in helping in, and so there's gotta be something for everybody here. And the tutoring opportunity is for the United States, as you can see here, and it's for all 50 states, guys, okay? And so if you want to become a tutor, you want to hit this link down here on the bottom, how to become a tutor. Then you'll get to this page where you're going to learn more about how much you're going to make and what's involved. Learn how to become a tutor and earn $50 an hour. Whether you're just starting out tutor full-time or wanting to fill the gaps in your schedule, tutors.com will help you find the tutoring jobs you want. So steps to becoming a tutor: you guys just set up your profile, which is free. You're not going to be paying to get set up here, and then you're going to get tutoring requests once your profile is up, and you're going to get matched. So you can introduce yourself to the new students and then start tutoring, okay? Students are more likely to hire you when they know your cost and availability up front. You're more likely to get the job if you work within the student's availability. Set your own prices based on your education level and expertise. Explain your rates in detail and tell the students exactly what to expect from your rate, from that rate. Tutors.com does not take a commission or charge a subscription, so you don't have to worry about your earnings being deducted for fees or anything like that. So whatever you earn here, guys, is 100% yours. So this is a great opportunity for all you Americans out there in the United States. And so you just gotta click this to become a tutor today. How you can earn even more is by getting certified here, guys, okay? So the average price is actually $50 per hour, which is a lot of money, guys. Tutors typically charge based on their experience, so people could start at around $25 per hour, but you could get up to $80 per hour if you are certified. And then there are also online tutors as well. So there are tutors, so this tutoring is, I guess, in person. So you're going to find somebody locally who you can tutor, and you go to their place, I guess, or they go to your place. You need to kind of find out that detail, okay? And then for online tutoring, so for those who don't want to go to anybody's place or have anybody go to their place, you can still earn around $30 per hour, or even $50 to $60 per hour if you are doing more complicated things or specific things, you know. So the opportunities here are huge, and so this is a really great way for you guys to make some good money on the side, okay? So do I need a degree to become a tutor? No, you don't. You just need a high school diploma or GED, guys, okay? So that is great for you guys. How do I get certified as a tutor? Well, this is some information about how you could get certified, and there's tons of organizations here for you to get certified, guys, okay? And then you have, again, all these different subjects that you can tutor in, and so that is a great opportunity for you guys to check out. But again, you will be trading time for money if you use this kind of method, because when you are tutoring, I mean, you only get paid when you're helping students, right? But when you're not helping students, are you still earning? No, you're not. So you're trading time for money. So with the way I earn online, I don't trade time for money. I earn from the work I do over and over again. So I get to earn any time of the day with the things I do online. So it is awesome to have an online business, guys. If you want to learn something like that, check out the second link in the video description, like I showed you in the beginning of this video. And I hope I can help you in the near future, because if you sign up with that platform, I will be your free coach on the platform. So check it out, and I hope I will see you on the platform in the near future. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.